Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is early in the morning and I thought that I would take you with me on a vlog today. I have a lot of things that I want to get done today and I was actually a little bit anxious, shall we say, last evening about the number of tasks that I wanted to get done today. And so as I laid in bed last night on my phone getting ready to go to sleep, I actually made a to-do list, which I will pop up on the screen right here. And I'm going to share with you the things that I want to get done today. I am working today, so it's partly work things, partly YouTube things, partly family home things, but it always helps me to make a list and sort of outline all of my tasks down either like on paper or on my phone, because that helps me organize my thoughts and not feel so anxious about the amount of things that I need to get done. So I did get up early this morning because I wanted to have a couple hours before work to work on some things. So the first thing that I needed to do was finalize the registration for my kids at swim camp. I ended up doing that last night, which I'm glad I got that done. I just went ahead and did it before bed. OMG, that is expensive. Swim camp is expensive. I also need to order blinds for Connor's room. I want to get him some like cellular shades that are light blocking just so he's able to sleep later in the morning if he wants to. I'm gonna vlog today so I can cross that off at the end of the day, hopefully. I have a video that I need to finish this morning, just one meal that I need to finish cooking that I didn't have time to fit into our meals this past week. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and make that this morning, and then I'll probably just wrap it up, throw it in the fridge, and we'll either eat it tonight or I'll give it to my in-laws and they can have it tonight for dinner. I also need to work on a spreadsheet that I'm going to be posting along with that video, and so I need to make sure I have a copy of that Excel sheet and have that uploaded so that you guys can download it if you want to with the video. I need to edit the outro to that video and then do a thumbnail. So really kind of 4 things that I need to accomplish this morning for that video. If I don't get the thumbnail done, I can do it on my lunch break today. I have a few things that I need to do for work. So work on an agenda for tomorrow morning, have a consult call later today that I need to work on a strategic plan and some data for that. So that will be work tasks. I also need to make sure that Connor has his swim stuff ready for today because he's got swim tonight. I need to call at some point today and make eye appointments for us because we normally do all of our eye exams in the summer and I think we're overdue at this point. Myself and Adam and the kids. Kira has glasses, so she'll probably need a stronger prescription this year. Connor doesn't have glasses yet, but I'm assuming he'll need them at some point since we all have them. And then I need to mail some things. So I have some cookbooks that I need to mail to a couple friends, and then I have some clothes I have to send back to Stitch Fix. So I'll probably do that today while the kids are at swim. And then next week I am going to be traveling, so I need to kind of go through my calendar and see what videos I have going up next week, because if I'm not home to like film on the evenings and stuff, then I need to make sure that I plan for those so that I can finish them this weekend, but they can go up next week. So those are the things that I need to get done today. You guys saw me this morning making my coffee and I had some vanilla nut coffee from Thrive. I just opened it. It is delicious, by the way. They are sponsoring today's video, so thank you to them. I actually have a box coming from them today. FedEx says it's going to be delivered today, so I'll share that with you. I'm really excited because they now have frozen food on their site, so that's super awesome for me because some of those things I can't find around here, so I'll share that with you guys. So let me tell you guys a little bit more about Thrive Market if you want to check it out. Otherwise, I'll check back in with you in a little bit. So you guys know that I love Thrive Market and I use them frequently, but I'm also excited to be working with them throughout the rest of 2021 on different videos. I love all of the products that I can get from their site. It's super beneficial for me because I don't have a lot of specialty grocery stores around where I live. So I love that I can find everything I need on their site and all orders ship free over $49. They have a couple different membership options you can choose. I do the 12-month membership, which is less than $5 a month. However, if you want to go month to month, you can do a 1-month membership for just $9.95 a month. And they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it is no risk. They also have a Thrive Gives program. So there's a 1-for-1 membership matching program. So every paid membership that you guys purchase sponsors a free one for a low-income family. you are going to get 25% off your first order. If you guys want to check out Thrive Market, you can go to the link in the description box below. It's thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. Plus, you get to pick out a free gift, which is awesome. So definitely take advantage of that because 25% off is going to get you some great savings. thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. All right, so I need to catch you guys up on what I got done this morning. However, I've been super busy, and so it is now like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just eating lunch. So I'm having one of these salami and provolone trays that I got from Aldi, and a yogurt and some water. Oh my gosh, what a day, you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it is now about 4:30. Adam said he would take Connor to swim, but I said I wanted to go too because I need to go to the post office. So he should be here in a little bit to take us. But anyway, Connor's getting dressed right now. So what all did I get done today? Okay, I didn't order blinds. I'll probably have to do that tonight. Vlog, I've been vlogging all day today. So, well, not really because I haven't really done anything except work. Okay, so this morning I finished the budget meal that I had to film. I set up the spreadsheet download. I edited the outro and I made my thumbnail. I did that all this morning before work, so that was good. As far as the work tasks, I completed this one, but this data and agenda for tomorrow morning, I don't know if I'm going to get back online and do that tonight or whether I'm just going to get up early in the morning and do that, so we'll see. Connor, I wanted to make sure he had swim stuff for today. That's all dry. I did call and make our eye appointments, so hooray. And then I'm going to mail the books and the clothes when we take Connor to swim. So, all right, good for now. All right, so we are having none other than the Aldi red bag chicken sandwich for dinner this evening. So if you guys have never tried this on like a brioche bun, it does really taste like a chicken sandwich from a restaurant that you would get. So I have these in the air fryer right now. There's 6 of them in the bag. So I normally just go ahead and cook all of them. And then if we have leftovers, I'll chop them up and put them on a salad. And then I have to figure out what we're going to have with this. I do have some veggies, like some raw veggies cut up in the fridge. I might cut up some apples, and I don't know. I'll see what else we have. All right, so chicken is done. So if you guys have never made these before, in order to make it like the restaurant chicken sandwich or whatever, you use the brioche buns. Other stores have these other than Aldi. And then I'm just using these pickles that I got from Aldi also, and I put some mayo on the bun. So we're just having this with some macaroni salad that I had in the refrigerator and some apples. I just got done cleaning up the kitchen from dinner, but I wanted to mention this. I feel like I mentioned it before, but you know, every time I find something that like works for me, I just want to like share it with you guys. So I mentioned this like veggie tray that I picked up on Amazon. It's just like a cheap Rubbermaid one, but I've been filling it every weekend and then just keeping it in the refrigerator for us to have like veggies and dip throughout the week. And it's honestly been so helpful in like getting our produce used up and just making sure that I always have, you know, cut up veggies on hand. It's even just helped me eat more veggies while I'm like cooking dinner. You know, I can take this out. I cannot do things with one hand and snack on some carrots and stuff. So anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. Right now I have some sugar snap peas in there, which those are both of the kids like those. I have some carrots, I put some olives in there, some tomatoes. Both of my kids' favorite are sweet peppers, like green, orange, red, yellow, bell peppers. They love those. So those are the ones that always go first. But if you get this on Amazon, it actually comes with this dip container too. So you can put dip or hummus in there or whatever. And then the lid just goes on like that. I would share with you guys really quick what came in my Thrive box today. So this order actually was coming in 2 shipments because I ordered some like meat and seafood, and then I also ordered like regular pantry items. So when that happens, they usually send like a separate box for the cold food. But I was just going to show you. So this actually got delivered this morning, and it's after 8 p.m. now, and this was actually sitting out on the porch, and it's probably like 80, almost 90 degrees here. But you can see there's still dry ice left in here. So they definitely do a really good job packing things. I have never had an issue where I've gotten something, you know, spoiled or broken. Okay, so there's actually another box inside here that I just opened, and I wanted to say the steam is rolling off of it. Steam is not rolling off of it. The coldness is rolling off of it. So yeah, I'm very impressed with how they pack this. You guys might be on a little bit of a tilt, but that's because you're in my dish cabinet and I have to like set you there so I can show you what I got. Okay, broccoli. I got 2 bags of frozen broccoli. This is the Cascadian Farm brand. This is the first time I've ordered like actually from their frozen food section. You guys know I've ordered like their meat and produce and seafood and stuff before, but I'm honestly really impressed with how they pack this. And you can, with the frozen stuff, get free shipping if you go above a certain threshold Okay, I also got some of these Ezekiel. Yeah, these are the Ezekiel sprouted grain English muffins. I didn't actually realize this came in a 2-pack, so I got 2, but that's fine. They freeze really well. I like having these on hand because Adam is like a breakfast sandwich junkie. That's what he usually eats every morning. And sometimes I prep my own or our own. I feel like they're a little bit better that way. I still buy like the pre-made ones sometimes, but anyway, if I have those on hand, I can make them. I did get some of their halibut. I've purchased this before and it's really, really good. This is something I can't buy around here where I live. I actually made a really good halibut recipe when I did the Gwyneth Paltrow eating like her for a day video, so I'll try to link that video down below if you want to watch that, but this is really good. I also got a frozen chicken. This will be for a recipe video that I'm making that might have something to do with Ina Garten, and yes, I know I've been talking about that forever, but it's going to be a long video and it's taking me forever to film in between all my other stuff. I got some cheese pizza. I wanted to try this. This is the Amy's cheese pizza. I really like all of their stuff, all of her stuff, whatever, so I'm sure this will be delicious. I've never tried that particular one before. I got some of these Amy's bean burritos. These are beans, rice, and cheddar cheese. Kira actually likes these for lunch and I like them too, so I have those in the freezer. I also picked up some chicken breast, this boneless, skinless chicken breast, and then I also got some ground chicken. There's a recipe that I make with meatballs with ground chicken. It's really good. And then last but not least, some of these Feel Good Foods chicken pot stickers. Kira is a huge pot sticker slash dumpling fan, so I knew that she would like these if I got them for her. So that's everything in my Thrive box. You guys like my hair? Kind of crazy right now. All right, so tonight is trash night, which means that I'm going to go out and check the mail and take out some of the trash and recycling. Normally Adam and I will take the trash out together, but sometimes I'm impatient and I don't want to wait until he's done like watching TV in the basement or whatever, so I'll just take out part of it and then once he's done, he'll take out the rest of it. It's been raining for like 3 weeks straight, but I tell you, one good thing about it raining all the time is that the grass is really green. Look, I got the Aldi ad in the mail today. Holla! I always love looking at like physical ads, even though I know most people probably do it on their phone, look at them on their phone. Look at these beach towels. It's $99 for these beach towels at Aldi. I'm gonna have to see if I can snag some of those. Those look super cute. They have all these different pools and stuff. My kids are too old now for these kind of wading pools. They just like, they're too old for that. This is really cute, this raised planter. I don't really think I have a use for it, but it's cute. I like these reeds too. Yeah, this weekend is 4th of July, so what are you guys doing? You doing anything fun? I guess you'll be seeing this after. Did you do anything fun? Looks like they have a lot of cool stuff on sale, so see if I need anything. I also got the Hy-Vee ad. Hy-Vee has really cut down on their ad. They used to put out a huge ad every week, and now it's just one page, front and back. So that's interesting. All right, so it's about 10:45 and my brain is pretty much fried for the day. So I was just checking back in on my to-do list. I actually sat up here and wrote out my checks to pay my quarterly taxes. So fantastic. That was one thing that I didn't have on my list, but I needed to get done anyway, so I did that. I tried to get on a website and order blinds for Connor's room. I just like, I know I need to like pay attention to what I'm doing and like measure and make sure I get the right like length and width and everything, and I just don't have the brain power to do it right now, so I'm gonna skip that for now. But I did vlog, still did not finish that work task, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning, so that's fine. I did get my books and stuff mailed, and then I did kind of sit down at the table tonight and work on like my plan for next week. So basically I was just looking ahead to the videos that I have planned for next week, or like that are due next week, and I always want to come up with a game plan so that like I can finish them this weekend because I'm going out of town, so I have all that stuff done before I leave, because obviously if I'm gonna film like cooking videos and stuff, it's like, well, I can't really film that if I'm in a hotel room. You know what I mean? I suppose I could if I had like a hotel room with a kitchenette. That would be interesting. So anyway, I'm gonna check that off my list. So I guess really the only two things I didn't get done were the work task, which I can get up and do tomorrow morning, and ordering the blinds. So I'm good with that. I'm happy. I feel like I had a productive day. The video that I got posted this evening was a $25 dinners video, so basically 5 dinners for my family for $25, and that was super fun to film, and it was like challenging to come up with all those ingredients for just $25. Like, you think about a challenge like that and you're like, this isn't gonna be that hard, but then in reality when you start planning everything out and like how much things cost, it's like, oh, this is kind of a challenge. But you guys have been giving me really good feedback on that video, so I'm excited to do more. Someone said I should do a vegetarian challenge, and I actually think that would be fun. And I'm wondering if it might be easier because I wouldn't have that expense with like the beef or the chicken or like whatever animal protein I chose. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that is gonna wrap it up for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming with me. Don't forget to check out Thrive Market. I was actually really impressed, like I said, with their packaging of their frozen foods. So I'll have a link down below. You guys can get 25% off plus a free gift when you sign up. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.